Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came
Hi guys,
together
it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't see my last video, it was a pack with me for Florida because I'm here at Playlist Live. We flew in this morning. I woke up at like 4:30 and then the flight was like 4 hours and a half. It was actually pretty easy. I slept most of the time and then did some editing. Then we got dropped off at the hotel. Literally guys, it is so crazy here. Like when you walk into the lobby, just millions of people it feels like. But we checked in. I have my creator lanyard and then the wristbands. But yeah, it's literally like so crazy. Like I had no idea because this is my first time at Playlist and like I just had no idea how big this event is. I want to thank Joby for sponsoring this video. They also took me here, so thank you Joby. This weekend I plan on vlogging with the GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit, and if you see on the box, it's me. So I'm gonna unbox this because I need to start vlogging. I literally put you guys on a water bottle. Here is the vlogging kit. I'm gonna unbox it like I said. First we have the tripod. I will be vlogging on my phone since it comes with this. And then you have these two other arms to connect to this tripod to put either a light or another camera. Like on the box, they put the light and then a GoPro. And then they also provide a mic, which is crazy. Like literally, this is all you need. Now I'm going to assemble it and then put my phone on it. Guys, look at my new setup. Oh my god, this is so cool. Again, there's two arms and I don't have like a GoPro to put on this side, but I do have the BMO light. This is called a BMO LED light from Joby, but I'm gonna take off the other arm because I don't have another thing to put on the camera. But guys, this is my vlogging setup for the weekend. And actually, I'll turn it on right now. The BMO light is so bright. Guys, look at this. No light versus light. Like, all right, so I'm actually filming on my phone right now. I'm gonna switch footage from both cameras, but guys, this is what it looks like. My new setup for the weekend. So we're actually waiting for the Joby after party. We're just sitting on the floor. Yay! And there's like nobody here. Yeah. Caleb, come say hi. Yeah, Caleb's here. Caleb's here. What's up?
How are you guys doing? Yo, hi sisters.
How's everyone's Playlist day one been?
It's been good for me.
Really good.
That's good.
Really good. Lots of people. Very
I feel like I need to get this
So
light.
many people.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, that looks good.
Like I said, we are waiting for the party. I don't even know if we're in the right place. We'll see you at the party. See ya, bye.
with you, we were floating through the trees, burning up like 3rd degree. Ain't no place I'd rather be. It's true, I could spend forever next to you, watching.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of Playlist. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday, guys. Today we have a little Joby performance. You guys will see later, but we have that at 12 and then I have a panel later. But I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I have a Joby shirt on and then my pants are camo pants from Dickies, and then I'm wearing my Nike Air Force Ones. We are heading out right now, so let's go.
Good morning. It's bright and early. Actually, no, it's almost noon. It's 11:50. Just kidding.
So we're currently in the Joby Creator Lounge.
Yes,
This is
so
Lily.
fun. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
We all have our Joby gear.
Sponsored.
Miranda, Melanie. Like I said, we're in the Joby Creator Lounge, and then the Joby main stage is in that room right there. We have a performance, and you guys will see that very soon. We have some downtime before we go on stage, and I thought I would make a TikTok because the Joby Creator Lounge has like a bunch of cute backgrounds, and also with the mobile rig, not only can you do it horizontal, but you can flip it so it can be vertical as well. So I'm gonna film a TikTok. Let me turn on the BMO. There we go.
we're backstage. Hold on, don't go anywhere. You are like the nicest, sweetest little girl. And then all of a sudden, like, where did that come from?
Now we're visiting the Joby booths. We're still in the Joby main stage, and then they have all these booths set up. First we have this one. Look at it. Very cool. So a really cool feature that Joby has is that their tripods can wrap around things. I could put my phone right here, and then I'm gonna take a picture.
I'm True, Richie, Jacqueline.
Oh, so we love you guys. How'd it go?
That's a good one.
I just used the mobile rig to take a boomerang. Guys, today is Sunday. It's the last day of playlist, which is actually kind of sad. But I'm sorry, I feel like I haven't been vlogging at all this weekend. I mean, like, we got some footage of like what we were doing, but I haven't really been talking to the camera. I don't even know. It's just been like really crazy. The events and parties kind of been non-stop. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Let me flip my camera around. And as you guys know, I have been using the mobile rig from Joby. You can actually detach all of like the mic, the light, and then just use the legs for a compact camera like my Canon M50. So today I'm using the mobile rig tripod and then also my Canon M50 camera. This is my vlogging setup for today. Anyways, my outfit. So we are going a little fancy today, but it's playlist, so we're good. My top is from Hollister. It's just like a black tank top with some buttons right here. And then I have these pants from Dollskill, I think. Then I have my belt on and then some Nike Air Force Ones, and that is my outfit. So we are actually gonna go downstairs. There's a Boohoo creator lounge. I guess they were giving out free clothes like this whole weekend. So we're gonna go see if that's open. Hopefully it is because I want to get some Boohoo clothes. But yeah, let's go downstairs. So each morning we have to get new wristbands because you need wristbands to get into like parties and stuff. I've kept all of mine and look how many I have. Now we are walking to the Boohoo event. I've already seen people with the Boohoo bags, so I'm pretty sure it's still open. Happy Sunday, Mom.
Happy Sunday, child.
Okay, so funny story. We got locked out of our room because our key isn't working. I think we called the housekeeper and I guess they're coming with a new key or something. But I'm eating hot Cheeto Puffs and we're just sitting in the hallway, so I was like, might as well just do the Boohoo right now. We got 2 items each, but then my mom didn't want anything, so she got 2 items for me. Thank you, Mom. First, I got this bucket hat. I've been really into bucket hats lately. I think they're cool. And then I also got these socks. Reminds me of chipmunks for some reason. And then I got this sweatsuit. I can wear this on the plane home. It's just like this hoodie and then matching sweatpants. So that's my haul and my Cheeto fingers. Oh, my tongue red. Oh, we got a new key. Matt, Andy, say hi to the vlog.
Gang, gang.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, what's up?
We are on the golf carts. Basically, instead of creators walking like through the lobby to go to the other side of the convention, they have golf carts so they can take the creators like back. I have a meetup at 2. It's currently 1:27. You want to say hi?
How's the weather this morning?
Hey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you as well.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you all.
We are going to our meetup.
Yes.
Pink Stripe meetup. Also, whenever we walk to places, we go like back in the kitchen.
Yeah. Motherfuckers be looking at us like, what are you doing here? Get out of here. I'm on a Segway.
Oh my god,
Segways next year.
we should.
Someone will get run over, I promise.
We live and we lie.
3, 2, 1.
And we fly. We win and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live
so today is Sunday, and I think the last clip in this vlog was the meet and greets, but literally after that we went to the hotel. I napped for 3 hours. I was just so tired from this whole weekend. There was a party at the water park, like you had to shuttle and then go to a water park, and there's like this big party, but we didn't end up going because again I was just super tired, so we just ended up staying in the room. I actually got a bunch of editing done, which is amazing. Anyways, we are leaving today. Wait, is it Monday? Oh my god, it's Monday. I said Sunday, oops. Today's Monday, guys. We are leaving today, so I wanted to film an outro because technically playlist is over. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you to Joby for sponsoring this video and taking me here to Florida for Playlist Live. It was my first playlist and I definitely had so much fun. Make sure to click the link down below to get your Joby products. They're amazing and I use them every time when I film a video. Oh, also, I met a bunch of you here and you guys were all so sweet, so thank you for that. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, go over to my community tab because, as you guys know, YouTube disabled all my comments on my videos. So you guys can go to my community tab. There will be a separate post for this video. You guys can leave your questions, any comments there. I'll try to respond. And also, you can follow any of my social medias at Nicole Laeno. So my Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok at Nicole Laeno. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so, so much. Bye!
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.